Il-minuta tibda issa. Alberto Favaro, perit u artist. X'ispirak tagħmel l-esibizzjoni Protect Me?
The exhibition Protect Me has the intention to investigate the relation between the idea of care and protection with the one of control, because these different ideas usually they're considered separate, but in reality very often they do overlap, where there is an exchange between care and freedom.
Kif tiddefinixxi r-relazzjoni bejn l-arkitettura u l-arti?
I see them very, very close, almost overlapping, and also in this exhibition I think it's very connected because architecture in itself is an act of control, if you want. There is some violence in it.
Meta u fejn se tkun qed tittella din l-esibizzjoni?
So the exhibition will be held in Museum in a new space. It's going to be from 6th June till the 17th of July.